What's up everybody, back with another video, and today we are going to add some Mini GTs to the collection, and I would say let's get right into it and start with this one right here. Yes, another GTR, another Liberty Walk version, but I mean this one in Martini deco is really cool. And I'm really glad that I could get this one for a reasonable price. And I don't know from where you are watching this video, but these blister packagings here are not so easy to get here in Europe, and normally they are a little bit more expensive. So yeah, this one here will stay in its packaging. So let's put this one to the side. And let's start the unboxing with this one right here. So here we got the Bugatti Chiron Pure Sport in blue. This is number 379. And while we are opening the plastic wrapping, for all of you that are not familiar with Mini GT, these are premium models, nothing to play with. I mean, you can do that if you want to, but yeah, this is something for collectors. And look at this beauty right here. So when you get a Mini GT model, you get a metal body, a metal base, rubber tires, and a lot of details. And I mean, look at this model right here. For example, here on the roof, you can see these carbon fiber details, which are kind of nice. If you take a close look at the back, you can see some engine details. The wing also has this carbon fiber pattern on it. We got the Bugatti lettering on top of the wing. Normally these mirrors are rubberized, so when you touch them they do not break so easily. I mean, look at these rims, how detailed they are. I mean, I'm not a huge fan of them. They do look a little bit like a spider web. Yeah, not my cup of tea, but I mean, the details themselves are really cool. And look at the front. Normally these Mini GTs do have lens headlights. These are painted because I think these are just too small to yeah, put some piece of plastic in there. And the number 16 in the grille and the Bugatti badge, really nice. And look at this bag. We got this light bar, and these parts of the taillights are lens, which is kind of cool. Sometimes these Mini GTs do say what model it is on the base. This one does not, but yeah. A real beauty. So let's put this one into the parking lot, and it's gone with this one here. This yeah, is a little bit older. I bought this one here from eBay, the Pandem Toyota GR Supra in silver. I do, this is number 175, by the way. I do own a lot of these GR Supras. The thing is, I'm not a huge fan of the car, but the thing with Mini GT is that they stuck in there. That they do throw some really cool liveries on these. And yeah, I thought, why not grab one of these when you get the chance to buy it for a reasonable price. And this one does look really cool. Comes in a silver livery with this Pandem deco, and once again a lot of details. For example, you can see we get these heating wires on the rear window. We get some lensed headlights, a lot of deco on the side. Once again, metal base for sure. Oops. This is the back, lens taillights, Pandem license plate. Yeah, another really cool Mini GT model. Yes. We put it into the parking lot as we go on with this one here, BMW Alpina B7 xDrive in Alpina green metallic. This is number 498, so let's get this out of its plastic wrapping. So for all of you that are not familiar with Mini GT, they do come in this cardboard box. Inside we do have this plastic protection piece, and you always can store the car inside this plastic piece and inside the cardboard box when you are not displaying it, which is kind of cool. So yeah, I think the color is a little bit different than it looks on our packaging. I thought the green would be a little bit brighter. So this is kind of a green, dark green metallic livery. A little bit, I think you could compare it to a British racing green. Once again, such a beauty. I mean, look at the details, look at the rims. This is so cool, and that is what I personally really like about Mini GT. These details. Then we got this beautiful front. I mean, you don't have to like this huge grille, but that's what BMW decided to do lately. You got lensed headlights and the BMW badge on the hood. So on this guy here, which is not common on these Mini GTs, the mirrors are kind of stiff, they are not rubberized. This one also comes with these heating wires on the rear window. This is the back focus. License plate says Alpina B7. Get some exhaust details and the BMW badge. Definitely a really nice version of the BMW. So we got 2 more Mini GTs left. This is one that I'm really excited for. So if you are a subscriber of this channel, then you know I'm a huge fan of these racing liveries, and this one does look really cool. It's the BMW M4 GT3 number 1. It's number 439. ST Racing 2022 12 hours Mugello winner. To be honest, I'm not an expert for those racing series. I just love the decos they do on these cars. Sometimes they are really great. And there we go. Yeah, this is, in my opinion, not typical for a race car. It's more like a, you know, the deco does look more like a piece of art, maybe like a painting you would see in a museum or something. But it's kind of cool. Very detailed. Once again, look at all these details on the side. We got the number 1. We got these sponsor logos. Keep pushing on the wing. We also got some lettering on the rear window and here on top of the windshield, which is also really, really cool. Saying 12 hours Mugello. To be honest, I'm not 100% sure how you pronounce that. Look how cool this looks. I mean, you know that the grille is controversial. I'm not a huge fan of that, but yeah. As I said, that's what they decided to do. And you have to get used to it. That's how it is. But this is a real beauty. Lensed headlights, lensed taillights. Just fantastic in my opinion. And something different. Then we get to the grand finale, which is this guy here. Another version of the Nissan LB Supra Silhouette S15 Silvia. This is number 490, and this version was kind of hard to get, or let's say it was kind of hard to get for a reasonable price. When I bought it, I think 2 hours later it was already sold out at the store. But I mean, if it's as cool as the first version, it's definitely worth the money. Oh, yeah. So this is just fantastic. I really love, first of all, I really love the color scheme. We got white, green and this light blue. I think it matches very well. Then look at all these details. Look at the rims with the chrome rings, the blue 5 spokes. If you take a close look, you can see that there is a blue roll cage inside, which is kind of cool. This is the roof. We get lens headlights, lens taillights. What a beauty. Yeah. Just really nice. So as always, let's put the rotator to the side and oops, bring all of our Mini GTs together and you know, as always at the end of the video I'm trying to pick a favorite. And yeah, it's not so easy this time. I mean, they are all really, really beautiful. But I think it's this guy here. I mean, what I didn't mention, I mean, the special thing about Mini GT, by the way, is that normally they do roll. And look at this, look at the stance of this model. And this is something that you don't see on every model car that has this stance. I mean, look how cool this one rolls. We can do a little test on the other ones. Yeah. Oh, nice. So all of them do roll really well, and yeah, that is really cool. Once again, here is my personal favorite, and with that, I hope you hope you enjoyed this video. And when you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I say thank you for watching, happy hunting, and see you next time. Bye.